Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be taking a look at the 180 degree box for April 2024. This subscription box is a self-care, self-love kind of box, but it's all put together by a small business owner, and she does so well with this box, you guys. Like every single month, it's not only packed full of items, but they're really good quality items, and most of the time they'll last you like several tries. They're not like little samples or anything like that. So I love this subscription. So if you are looking for a self-care box, I recommend this one. So we're gonna go ahead and go through our April box today and check it all out. So this is our 180 degree box, and if you're interested in purchasing her monthly subscription, I will have a link down below for you. I also have discount codes posted down there as well. This month for April, it is really heavy, you guys. Like, I'm not kidding. This feels like a box of bricks right now, and I don't know what could possibly be that heavy when it's self-care, but there's something in here that is really heavy. So this is what it looks like when you open it up inside, and you guys, look at this. I mean, is it not just welcoming? Like you open it already and you're like, wow, there's a lot in here. So on top, this is the first item, so we're just gonna start with this. This is Plantable seed paper. I love it, it's a heart. So it says you're gonna soak this paper heart in water overnight, and then you're gonna tear it up and plant it under a thin layer of soil. You wanna keep it moist until flowers start to bloom in 1 to 3 weeks. So it is a wildflower blend. So just keep that in mind wherever you decide to plant these out, that you're gonna get wildflowers in that spot. What a cool little idea though. I love that you get this little thin paper to plant with. So first item that we have on top, oh my gosh, it's a free bonus gift, and I love it because it's marshmallows. These are rainbow layered marshmallows. I love it, you guys. Check it out. Look at you get up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Does anybody else love the smell of marshmallow? Like when I walk down the grocery aisle and I smell marshmallows, I'm always like, this is the best. Like it's the best scent ever. Maybe not, maybe that's just me, but I love to smell marshmallows. So this is our free bonus gift that we can see right here. So it's right on top. I will take it. Next item included in our box is sea salt flakes, and they're oak smoked. I was like, oat smoked. So this is flakes that have been smoked. Well, that's different. 3.5 ounces. It says that it's a finishing salt. Oh, I thought these were like bath salt. I was so off. That's why I was like, what is the point of having salts be smoked if they're just going in the bathtub? I was so confused, you guys. No, this is edible. So these are finishing salts, and it says that they're made from the Mediterranean Sea. It is a clean, balanced taste, and it will take you from a home chef to a pro chef with just a simple sprinkle. This will give you flavor to meats, vegetables, salads, cocktails, and more, because it does have that smoky finish to it. Oh my goodness, I totally did not put that together. So we do have a box of smoked salt. Next item that we have in here is from Face Tory. This is their refreshing body serum, and it is full size at 8.5 ounces here. This is great. So Face Tory is a great brand. They make a lot of sheet masks mostly, but they also do have some individual skincare items. This is a body serum that will give you hydration and actually calm your skin down. If you have any inflammation or like redness, it will help with that. So let me open this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, there is a pump, which is nice. So this is what it will look like here, and then you've got that pump at the top. It says it's a lightweight serum that has hyaluronic acid in it, and it will help to calm, balance, and hydrate your skin. So you can definitely see the start here of our self-care journey. I think the marshmallows are just fun, like we can eat those whenever. But now we're starting our body serum here. We're using that to wind down at night. And who knows, maybe while we're winding down, we need some olives. So we have premium green olives here. These are ready to eat, and they are green pitted olives. Oh, you guys, I bet if we made a drink with the olives and the salt, I'm starting to see it now. You know what I mean? Oh, I love these. This is the pedicure in a box. I think I was just talking about these in another video recently. It feels like it at least. But I highly recommend this kit. So if you've never tried this brand out before, I think the brand is Vosh is how you pronounce it. But they make these kits in all different scents. This one happens to be the green tea detox. But inside, it will give you all of the packets you're going to need to have a pedicure at home. And they're all numbered so you know which one to do. So the first one is the sea salt soak. Then you're gonna do a sugar scrub, which is gonna help to exfoliate, get rid of those dry skin cells. And then you have a massaging butter here, which you can put back on for hydration. So you get the entire pedicure setup all in that kit. Next item that I have in the box is the Brightening Serum Stick. This is a vitamin C on the go stick. Well, this is different. So it's from Spa Life. It says you can use it morning and night. Just twist it to push the serum out, and you want to massage this into your skin and it will give you a brightening effect. It is supposed to target dark spots or discoloration. So like if you have under eye dark spots, you can put that there, but it's travel friendly. All right, so I'm gonna open this up. For a second, I thought this was like a highlighter stick, but I don't think it is. I think this is just like a skincare product. So this is what it will look like. It is a full-size item. And then here is what your stick will look like. So it is just clear, and then you'll just rub that on. Ooh. So the next item that I have in here is a tray. It's called the Solar Clay Divided Tray from Danica Heirloom. This one is a stoneware piece that's dishwasher safe as well. Well, you guys know I love that. So here's what it looks like. So you actually could use this as like a ring tray, but I could also see putting the salt in here and then grabbing a little pinch out as you need it. Clever. Oh, and it looks like I have a second one in here. Is it the same one? It's definitely by the same brand, but yeah. Look at that. We actually got 2 of these inside of the box. We also have a hair clip included in the box. These are so popular right now, you guys. So these are the claw hair clips that will hold quite a bit of hair. And this does have kind of like a green color for spring. So this is also included in our April box right now. Oh, you guys, I think I know what's so heavy. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it out. Ah! So we have in here a giant coffee table book. This is The Seasoned Life by Aisha Curry, and this is a recipe book. Oh, this is awesome. Please tell me there's lots. There is. Okay, this is always my rule when it comes to recipe books is I want pictures because I want to know if it turns out the right way or if I'm doing something wrong anyways. So I love when recipe books have tons of photos in it. This does seem like it has quite a bit. So this is a full recipe book. But like I said, you could do it as a coffee table book if you wanted to as well. But this looks super scrumptious. $28 is the retail value on this book as well. But now I totally understand why it was so heavy. But that is not the only free gift that we received this month. We have another one inside of our box. So this is usually how I know it's our bonus gift, is she will put it inside of the red bag. And I'm like, oh yeah, here's our free bonus gift. I was shocked with the marshmallows when it had the sticker on there because I did not see that coming. But this is usually your free gift bag. And then inside, you're gonna have something in there. In this case, we have a piece of jewelry. This is cool though, this case. Look at this. Isn't that unique? It's like just a piece of plastic. I don't know. I kind of like it though. It's kind of cool. So this is our free bonus item. And it is this gorgeous necklace. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at the pearls on here. This is really pretty. Okay, this is stunning. Honestly, like she finds the cutest stuff. I love this. You've got the gold chain. This is so in right now, especially with these pearls. This is really pretty. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is my favorite item in the box. Like, this is gorgeous. Her free items are always just awesome. So that is everything inside of my 180 degree box for April, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Like I said, there's a lot of items in here. Every time I open this box, it is just packed full. I love that she went with this spring theme and we are changing things up. So we have new recipes. We're starting fresh with that. We still have our self-care aspects in here with a little bit of the skincare items with the eye cream. We've got the body serum in there as well. But the fact that we've got even like food items, that's super exciting. We get food occasionally, but not this much. And I love the marshmallows. So I kind of like that this is different from the other boxes just to switch things up. I think it was really good. I love it. I always like the fact that she just packs these boxes so full. And the necklace, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So if you are interested in purchasing this box, like I said, I've got a link down below there for you guys as well. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, guys.